Hi. Let's learn how to read words with SH.
Sh, sh, sh.
Blending sounds.
S-H-A-M. Sh, a, sha, sha, sham, sham, sham. S-H-E-D. Sh, e, she, shed, shed, shed. S-H-O-P. Sh, ah, shaw, shop, 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 shop. S-H-I-P. Sh, I, she, she, ship, ship, ship. S-H-U-T. Sh, sha, shut, shot, shot, shut. A-S-H. Ash, 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 ash. M-E-S-H. M, e, me, mesh, 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 mesh. P-O-S-H. Ah, pa, posh, 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 posh. F-I-S-H. I, fi, fish, 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 fish. R-U-S-H. R, ah, ra, rush, 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 rush.
Let's review. What is the sound of S-H-I-P? Answer.
Ship.
What is the sound of A-S-H? Answer.
Ash.
What is the sound of S-H-E-D? Answer.
Shed.
What is the sound of R-U-S-H? Answer.
Rush.
What is the sound of S-H-O-P? Answer.
shop.
What is the sound of F-I-S-H? Answer.
Fish.
Let's compare.
S-H-S. Sh. S. Sh. S. A-S-H. A-S. Ash. Ass. Ash. Ass. Ash. Ass. M-E-S-H. M-E-S-S. Mesh. Mess. Mesh. Mess. Mesh. Mess. S-H-U-N. S-U-N. Shun. Sun. Shun. Sun. Shun. Sun. S-H-I-N. S-I-N. Shin. Sin. Shin. Sin. Shin. Sin.
Good job. Bye.